Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. So, market is still 1 minute to go, and Nifty is at 25,399 and 400 as we are talking right now. We made a call yesterday for a buy. I entered for a buy here, and it gave a good, decent gap up also. But this gap up, it just immediately rejected this level, and from there, my first the price which I was waiting till was this trend line here, and also it was a 38.2% of fib ratio, from where generally when there is a trending wave, it generally rejects and continues its upside trend from this level of 38.2. So if for a uptrend from 38.2, it will go up, and for a downside on the rejection of 38.2, it will continue the downtrend. So that is the theoretical part. So as soon as it touched and it breached, it did not respected this line. We exit the call, and I've made a P entry here. From here till this first target, we made an exit here. Then again, we waited for another breach. I wanted to make sure that the price is breaching every single level, because I did not want to take any kind of risk on Nifty already, because one call trade was not as per our projections. So being very careful. The second trade we took again at the level of when this low was breached, it rejected again, and we just stopped out for that. And the third one, when this price was rejected as a resistance again, and this is 50% of the retracement, 50% of this wave. When the 50% was rejected here, we another took a P call here, and you see the fall it gave, and I think most of you were riding along this trade with me. So my target was 78.6%, and this is a very crucial fib retracement. So this was my target. I did not want to take any kind of risk in that, because from here it might be quickly, it might be going up again, as this is a very important one. Now if the price is, it's going for the another 100% retracement, almost this level of the low is 25,372. So the low, it the latest candle has made is 25,388, almost near about the 100% retracement. Now from here we can see a little bit of upside movement, but we are not taking any carry forward trades, because most importantly the geopolitical scenarios which is going on right now in US and Iran. So there are warlike situations going on, and we don't know what will happen post market. So it's better to just be an observant rather than being in the trade right now, and just worrying about what is going to happen tomorrow. So the main purpose of this video is to just to explain you how our algo is working, how we are taking the swift decisions, because most of the time people think that if a call is not going, then we're going for the sell, and that is not the trade of an over trading. It's a proper, well calculated, well risk managed trade which we are taking right now. And it's okay for 80 more points from our exit, but that's fine, because we wrote almost what from this level to this level, uh, from, yeah, we entered here from here to here, almost 200 points run. So 80 is just peanuts in front of that. I hope you all enjoyed the trading today, and I'll try to keep posting all such similar videos about the algos. And if you have any queries or doubts, you can drop in the comment section. I'll be very happy to solve out any doubts which you have right now. And signing off on a good note today, wrapping up with the good profits. Let's meet tomorrow.